So if you're thinking about selling your house in Ventura County, today I'm going to show you the 4 reasons to sell right now, coming up. So why should you put your house on the market right now? Let's get into it. Number 1, there's less competition. February through April are 3 months with the least amount of properties on the market. And May through October are typically the highest inventory months. So if you put your house on the market right now in March, there are going to be less homes to compete with. Okay, the second reason to put your house on the market right now. Homes sell faster April through July. And the way we determine this is by using days on the market. And days on the market is calculated from the time you put your house on the market until the seller accepts an offer and their home goes into contract. And the average amount of days on the market between April and July is between 50 to 55 days. So if you were to put your house on the market in March, you would likely go into contract in May. The third reason to put your house on the market right now is that you'll likely receive a higher price. For the last 3 years in Ventura County, the highest sold prices on average have been May through July, with June being the month with the highest sold prices. So now remember, what we said is if you put your house on the market in March and you get it into contract in May, which would be typical of the average days on the market. With an escrow period of 30 to 45 days, you would sell that house in June, which again is the month with the highest sold prices on average in Ventura County. Now keep in mind that May through October are the highest inventory months. Most people are putting their house on the market in May and June. So essentially, if you put your house on the market in February, March, or April, you're going to be staying away from those high inventory months and you're not really going to be competing with those other homes. Okay, the fourth reason to put your house on the market right now. Interest rates. Interest rates are still low right now. Now, the expectation by most home buyers are that the interest rates are going to go up in 2019. That means that lots of buyers are going to be looking right now while their purchasing power is at its greatest. So if you wait till later this year to put your house on the market, you're running the risk of interest rates being a little bit higher as well as competing with other homes in your market. And likely that's going to garner you a lower price for your home. Obviously, there are other economic factors that affect the sale of your home, but these are the 4 most important factors that I would consider right now if I was selling my home. Hey, so if you're considering putting your house on the market and you have any questions, please call us. We'd be happy to help, and we'll show you what we do to sell your house and how we market to get people in your house looking at it to get you the highest price possible. If you found this video was helpful and you got value out of this video, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, or video ideas, please put them in the comments below. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.